Alright, welcome back. So in this series we will be covering topic called names. Now here alt text. Suppose this is the object you have inserted. So let me insert this object once again. Just go into the insert section and then suppose I want a this oval over here. Okay, and what I want now, I want a color added. So I'll just click this accessibility and then I just simply add this color. Cool. Now I want to say that when I check these warnings or maybe errors, right, that time I'll get to know that what I need to do exactly. Cool. So in the sheet they are saying that in the oval 2 pivot table right here, add a description. So what I'll say, I'll just add a description over here. Simply it's automatically selecting a alt text as well. This oval represents logo of my organization. Mark as a decorative, or maybe if in case it's in a real logo, you can definitely remove this content. Decorative is basically as a design elements you have uses, right? That time you can use as a mark as a decorative. Otherwise you can add as a text. Okay, so for me this is my assuming that this is the logo for my company. So just added this and then I just press the right hand side. Again I'll just select this option. This is the previous one. Here it's saying that I'm gonna change the font color, so let me just change that font color as well for this. Now you could see there is a no issues added, right? So all text has been covered. Now we'll see define name, right? So define name is basically define and apply a name. Suppose I want to define a name for this specific range, right? um, I'll say I'll just select this entire column first. Okay, define name, and then I'll say age section, and then okay. So it's took a space, so let me just remove that space and then okay. And then suppose I want a occupation or a business, I'll just say define business, and then okay. Let me see if I can drag that data over here. I'll just say is equal to age section, double click, hit enter. Cool. So whatever data points were added in the age section, right, at the that particular sheet, you could see that we have imported over here. Similar way we can say is equal to business, double click, enter. So whatever profile were there at that sheet, you have imported over here. So this is how this beautiful options alt text and define will work. Rename, okay, if in case you want to rename this spreadsheet, you will rename it. If in case you want to change the table name, right, you can do that as well. Just simply click on this tables which we have converted earlier, and then I'll say my pwd table, enter. pwd, cool. So I have just changed the name pwd. Pivot table name, if in case you want to change it pivot table name, you can do that as well. Gender, simply. This is how we have seen this accessibility features, functions, right, which will help you to create a inclusive culture in your organization, or maybe when you are creating any kind of a data set, right, specific to that, right, and you can create a inclusive culture in your organization. Whenever we create any kind of content, the resources who are consuming that particular data, they need to understand that exactly what is the use of that particular data set, right? Be it your charts, be it your financial data, be it your tables, right? Whatever data sets you are preparing in MS Excel spreadsheet. Okay, now the last but not the least, very important, which is resources. Cool. Just click on this option. When you click on this option, you could see this beautiful support section has been opened by Office 365. You could see if in case you are facing any challenges while using this option, right, you can definitely leverage this link. Okay, and in Office 365 itself, and you can check any help related items you needed. Cool. This is thanks for staying with me, right? And this is how we have covered this entire topic of accessibility in MS Excel, right? Not really vast, not really short, but the importance we have already shown you, why it's really needed, right, in every of the organization, because inclusion really starts when you care about others. Cool. Thanks for watching. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe us.